Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Pro Series Vega CE waterproof gloves. Okay, the all-new Pro Series Vega CE waterproof gloves retail for $99.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This glove is going to be right for any rider that's looking for a glove that has a bit of insulation with full waterproof, windproof performance. This also incorporates the RST palm slider. It's a great addition to any glove. What they're put on there for is, let's say you have a fall, most of us instinctively are going to put your hands out. That's a harder plastic that just glides along the pavement, helps keep the glove together. It's hard to wear through, and it also promotes a slide more so than grabbing. So it's a little bit of a safety feature that's built in. This glove has a lot of screen printing that's reflective built into it. So you got some nighttime visibility. It fits comfortable, right off the peg. Feels pretty good. I have a 2X on right now. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. And for a waterproof, cooler weather style of glove, I feel like the fit is great. It's going to require very little break-in, and you're going to be good to go. Combination of leather and textile chassis. Synaqua built-in waterproof membrane. It's CE certified to level 1 KP if that's important to you. Safety strap here at the wrist, volume adjustment up here at the gauntlet. There is a further adjustment, right? If you need to get it over a jacket, you just don't have enough, you can go ahead and zip that open. A little expansion panel there built in. Locking zipper. Very lightweight, a lot of dexterity here in the ulna. I would rate the amount of insulation. They have another one, this Pro Series Arctic. Right, I would say the Arctic is a little more insulated than this one. That one uses Primaloft too. You know, this one's going to be somewhere in the middle. You know, that's the higher end, heavier insulated glove. A little bit less insulation here. Who is this going to be right for? This is going to be right for somebody that's looking to extend the seasonality, right? The seasons of their riding here in Michigan. It's pretty cool in the early spring, can be cool in the late fall. If you want to ride during those periods, if your hands get cold, the ride becomes miserable. That's a glove like this is going to be a great option. It's super affordable. The quality looks fantastic. RST has a great reputation here in the U.S. at this point. These should be added, and anyone who's riding on the street throughout all the seasons, you need to have really some cooler waterproof stuff to go along with your hot weather summer gear. This one's going to be a great option for that. Touchscreen compatible fingers, all the features and bennies that anybody's going to be looking for in a waterproof glove. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I'll answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.